Hi, I'm Cutie. This is the One Bush. This is the One Bush show. Hello, you're not gonna stop me. No, we won't. Hi, I am Leah, the dumb sister. And we are the Fox Girls, not the Toilet Peeing show. And now we invited the hand show. Why call the hand show? And we invited the hand show to the Fox Girls. Hi, I'm Miss Hi, I'm Mr. Ham. And here's my Mr. Ham body. Oh yeah, here's my Mrs. Ham body. Uh-oh. Are you gonna be on that vacuum? Yeah. Wait. Is something too fat? Or is something too fat go on that? Yep, Mr. Ant gets on the Blue Groove vacuum. That's what we made for him. That's what we made for him. Yeah, the Blue Groove vacuum. So we are gonna excuse me, but she was on the blow dryer. I was not on a blow dryer. I just saw that in the clip. No, I was not on the blow dryer. Besides, I am not fat. Okay, Mr. Hand got it already, so what about that? It is the day of the Fox Girl Day. Fox Girl Day? Sorry, but is this gonna be a Fox Girl marathon? Or what? Well, we are gonna be on TV soon. But oh my God, where's Mommy's iPhone? Samsung. I love Samsung. Samsung? Whoever heard of Samsung? Yeah, whoever heard of Samsung? Whoever heard of Samsung, win it! Real phones! Gonna kill the woman night! Okay, so what about we start the show and calm Mr. Ham down? That's a good idea. Bye bye. Bye.